What's up, y'all? Today's tutorial is going to be on a little tool that I had no idea FL Studio had, and that is going to be an articulator inside of the automation clip thing that allows you to make super fast envelopes. It's called Create Sequence, and I had no idea about it. It's basically a sequencer. I'll get into how it works. Just know that you can use it to make super cool, quick patterns. You can change the decay, you can change the sustain, you can change the gate, you can add swing. Oh my gosh, swing to an automation clip. That's cool as hell. Okay, so before I show that and a little bit of how to use it, let me just play this little beat that I have here, and you can see it's like super automation heavy. And I'm going to give a couple tips on how to make the sequence thing a little better too. So after I play this. So let's say I wanted to add in a little lead that bumps along with my top thing right after this part. Right, and I want to do this sound right here. But I want it to follow my lead. So what I'm going to do, or like bump with my, I want it to bump with my chord. So what I'm going to do is cut a little slice. And the most useful way that I've found to do this is set a loop. So like this right here, and I'm going to play it with my chords, and then I'm automating this right here. This little thing is going to go up and down. So I have to play it first, and I won't be able to talk after this. So just pay attention to what the mouse is doing. Okay, so I've just made that little thing. Hopefully you kind of understand how this works now. And now I'm going to show a couple ways to make it even better. So I'm going to paste this in my whole deal. So let's play this soloed. So it sounds okay on its own. Let's do it with the main thing. So I can already hear I hate the swing. So I'm going to go back into my articulator tools, create a sequence. And if you want to undo a thing, you just undo it and then accept. And I think there's one more thing that I could do, which is go in and scale the level. So this is the other trick that I found, which is like if you ever want something to bump but not go all the way to the bottom, you can change the offset. That's going to kind of like flatten out your tops. So then you want to multiply it down. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how to use this thing. So then for my second example here, I have like a random melodic future bassy dubstep generator. that I'm not going to tell too much of how I did it, or I would tell the whole thing, but it's just people will not watch long videos. So I'm sending a thing in a granulator with the randomized turned all the way on into about 2 racks full of effects. So if I turn all the effects off, so it's just sending slices of a sound into there. These first 3 are to give it, so I'll show 4th. I have the volume shaper. That's just to cut it into slices, so I'm sending it through a bunch of like increasing width, increasing loudness, probably. This is a volume thing that I did using the articulator trick here, so that follows this purple pattern. And then I have the volume shaper, then a disperser, a distortion, and then a multiband delay set to the wavetabilizer preset with the morph knob controlled by that red automation, which I created via a random articulated thing. So I'd go in here and like create a sequence. Let me reset it, and then I'll make it like this long, and then I want to probably have a hit for every one of these bumps or somewhere near every one of those bumps. So let me change my time multiplier thing to like this, make it doubly long, and then you can fully randomize like that. And it just like adds a couple bumps, it does a couple things. Then if you wanted to randomize like this, or if you wanted to reset that section, you could do that, or you could randomize this section like this. But I'm just gonna re-randomize a couple times and accept. And it's just a quick way to get really cool stuff. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial. I'm trying to do super short ones because that tends to be what goes with the algorithm. So thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.